Jay Calcutt here at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. Today, I'm going to be showing you the 2012 Crownline E6. Perfectly set up for water sports and plenty of room to take a cruise around the bay with your friends and family. You'll notice that it has a 4-step swim ladder as well as a big swim platform here. Around to the aft over here, there is storage to keep your stuff dry while you're out there riding the wake. This boat also features 2 sets of wakeboard racks as well as aft-facing tower speakers, so you can hear the music while you're riding the wake. You step up here, we'll see that very ergonomically designed helm with a dual helm seating, adjustable bolster. You have all the gauges and switches right there, easily accessible. Up front, we have plenty of bow seating as well as a wind dam to keep the elements off you. As an added bonus, you have a very spacious head with a freshwater sink. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat, call me, Jay Calcutt, at 850-225-9797. We'll see you soon.